Welcome to our Adventure Miles. Hello everyone.
Hello. We have a great day planned. It is 6:30 in the morning and we had an early start and we have a full day.
So we just entered the town of Ribeauville and we're going to be walking through. We're going to come back down after a little bit of a hike and check out the town when it's open, but we are heading from here to the Three Castles hiking route. We found that on All Trails and we'll post the image of that on the video. We're going to head up there now.
Our first pretzel.
We got some energy food for the 7-kilometer hike we're just about to do. And I got a croissant, of course. We're at the head of the Three Castles Trail.
The trails were well marked with signs. There's a nice variety from car width to single file. Surprisingly, not a lot of bugs on a very hot sunny day of 31 degrees.
Oh, there's part of the castle and a tower. Haute Ribeauville, altitude 640 meters. That's a nice view. Nice backdrop.
Certainly is. Enjoying my peach.
There you go,
with
Peach.
a view.
Peach with a view. Who's my buddy? Oh, good boy. He's gonna be on YouTube. Okay, on our way down.
There were some benches and picnic tables throughout the route for anyone that needed a rest.
So there's the three castles we visited. The first one is St. Ulrich's, then Ribeauville, and then Kaysersberg. Welcome to the Fairytale town. And this is what the walk from Riquewihr to Kaysersberg looks like. So this is Kaysersberg.
Three amazing castle ruins,
3 Alsace fairytale villages,
28 kilometers walking distance.
9 hours total.
What a fantastic day!
If you liked the video, please subscribe and hit that like button. Thanks for watching.